Hi, and welcome to Caleb's Trains.
Today, me and Caleb are going to do a layout update. We've had some time to get some things done on the layout, and we want to share it with everyone. It's been a while since we've done a layout update.
Right, it has.
Yeah.
We've been usually riding the trains, getting some new stuff.
Right.
And now we have got some new stuff, and now we're going to show it.
Yeah. It's exciting. We finally got some stuff wired up and working, which is amazing. It's probably been, I don't know how many years in the making.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, it's not all wired up yet, but it's getting there.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Yeah, and the next couple weeks it'll be all lit up, right?
Right.
I think so. But yeah, we've been kind of hiding some of the things we've done in our run sessions and that because they haven't been finished. So we're going to show them today. Yeah.
Yeah, we have been hiding some things in our run sessions.
Yep. So because they weren't done, and we didn't want to show them until they were done. So
Right.
now they're done. Well, they're never really ever done, but
Nothing. When you have a train set, nothing's ever done.
Nope. That's what's fun about it.
Mm-hmm.
Keep changing things and improving and all that good stuff. But other than that, we're going to do the layout update, and we're going to do a little quick run session, and hope everyone's doing well. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I don't know. Hope you enjoy this video.
Happy railroading.
Alright, let's get to the update.
Hello, we're back. And now, I'm going to show you this area right here. One thing we did is we put brick here for the pathway to this guy's house. And also we put like little bushes here. And some, I don't know what you would call this. What would you call this here?
Kind of just like grass and weeds
Grass.
and stuff.
Weeds and stuff like that.
Just scenery.
Like he said, just scenery and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Although it looks a lot better than it did before, just plain grass. I mean, in real life, you don't just see flat grass unless it's a plain. Like a plain of grass, but this looks really nice.
Mm-hmm. All
nice.
the way around, even to the back.
Uh-huh.
Thought it'd come out good. Instead of just the grass paper, we gave it some texture, different colors.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
different colors of green.
Now, we didn't hook the gateman up yet. We're just going to put it on a push button
Yeah, and
so
then,
that if some, people come over and they want to just operate it by manually, they can do that. It does work. It's just I got to put the push button in. So.
I think he wants to say hello to all of you.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, people watching Caleb's Trains.
And I know it's not scale, but it's a little big and it's post-war. But I always liked it when I was a kid, and I had it, so I wanted to keep it on this layout.
Looks
So
really
that's
cool.
why it's there.
Looks really cool.
Mm-hmm.
And this is also a really good reminder that there's train tracks right here.
Right.
That's
So-
another reason it's there.
Yep. So that's we got this little corner done.
Looks really nice.
Behind it here is kind of what's really we've been working on. Is
Oh,
we
yeah.
wanted kind of like a desert area. We have a winter area
Yeah, this is a desert area.
and
So, like, we want like a northern part over there. We call that over there the North Pole. And here's like the western part here.
kind
So,
of like a southwest
southwest.
look. We got cactuses.
Right here, like this one. And this one. There's cactuses all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
Ouch! Thorns.
And it kind of goes up into working with that mountain that we have there. And it comes right on over, and we just kind of break the scene with them row of bushes there. But it's got the sand and kind of goes all back over to there. It's just a small little corner.
Small little corner of deserty stuff.
Yeah, because we have the Union Pacific a lot on our layout, and they are a lot in the
West.
southwest and the
Southwest,
west.
Especially the big boy, because that's a mountain type steam engine, and look what's right here. Mountain.
Yep. So we did that, and that's you're been on our channel or seen our channel before. This area, there's an access door. You can see it.
You can kind of see the people right here. Access door.
So we just kind of went over it and to kind of hide it a little bit, and we got some more work to do on it in the grass in front of it, but
for sure.
Yep, that's what we did. Thought they came out good with the cactus and that.
Oh yes.
So then over here we just extended the parking lot here on the gas station.
Oh yes.
Came out good. That was just I made that out of some foam, and then I made the lines to kind of line up and modeled some cracks in it and stuff to kind of emulate what the gas station had in it.
Right, the real thing looked like.
So then you come on over to the winter scene, and
cool, huh?
We've had this area done for quite a while. But then right here in between the road and the track wasn't done, and we finally finished that.
Woohoo!
That's where this is an access door here that opens up to get to the further parts of the layout.
Right.
And then here was just always grass, and we decided we were gonna make that the snow as well, and just have the break point, the train tracks, and the track bed.
Right.
And this is one of the new additions to the layout here.
Oh yes, very good.
The Polar Express lighted flagpole. Right there, it says "Believe in the Polar Express." It's really cool.
The flag that says the Polar Express, if you look at it very closely, you can see the front of the Polar Express all over it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how well you can see that on the camera, but when I looked at it really closely, I could see little steam engines of the Polar Express.
Mm-hmm. And we actually do have that hooked up. It works.
Yes.
Looks really cool with the lights dimmed. We'll do that in a little bit in the run session to show that.
Also, when we do the Polar Express movie, those will be lit
Yeah,
too.
Caleb's going to make a little Polar Express movie using the layout.
Right.
Here we have the East Lake Station finally up and running. And it actually has music, and it does a station announcement, which we didn't even know it did that.
No.
That's pretty cool. It calls it the Yuletide Express, and that it's arriving at 12:25, which is awesome.
That's perfect.
And there is the Polar Express passenger station platform with the lights are hooked up finally.
Right.
So we did get a few of the lighted things hooked up.
Right.
And we did get this done. I mean, I guess it's never ever really done, but as far as like the snow is done. We're going to sprinkle some snow on the flagpole. Instead of it just being the base all clean and that, we're going to put some snow on it.
Right.
We didn't do that yet, but other than that...
just like the cell phone tower looks over there, it has like snow on the base. We're gonna make the flagpole look like that.
Yep, just to look like it was just freshly snowed on. So other than that, this is what we've gotten done. The wiring is ready for the cell phone tower, the Hero Boys house, and those three ceramic buildings in the back there are also ready to be hooked up.
Ooh, there's a little store over there.
And by the time we do Caleb's little Polar Express movie, it'll all be lit up for his movie. So that's what we've gotten done. Let us know in the comments down below what you guys think of the updates, and we're gonna let Caleb. I'm gonna let Caleb loose on the Legacy remote here, and he's gonna run some trains. All right. Thanks for watching.
Happy railroading.
All right, let's get to running these trains.